guys! Welcome to another episode of Tiger Garage. This is another Tutorial Tuesday. So, anong tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon? Actually, today, it's a very simple job. So, I assure you, kayang-kaya nyo yan kahit sa bahay kayo. So, anong kakabit natin ngayon? Magkakabit tayo ng rain gutters. We can call it rain gutter, we can call it sun visor, we can call it rain visor. Pero most of the time, we call this as a rain visor. So, what are the steps? So, number one, of course, dapat tama yung binili nyong rain visor. So, I just bought this online. Mura lang actually. So, it's a very simple accessories that you can do it yourself. Pero may mga konting tips lang ituturo ko sa inyo para you can install it more properly. I'm sure na pag kayo bumili nito, kayang-kaya nyo rin i-install kahit walang tutorial. Pero there are some tips that I can teach you to install this more properly and more easily. Of course, number one, you should buy the right rain visor. After na receive nyo yung rain visor nyo, much better, testing nyo muna, test fit nyo lang, kahit huwag nyo idikit muna. Like for example, this should be the right one. Tara, lapit kayo. So, test fit nyo lang. Ayun. So, I'm pretty sure this is the right one kasi tumatama siya sa fulma ng inyong door. So, after nyo na-check na tama yung size, we can open it. Kasi, syempre, pag mali yan, baka pwede nyo pa ibalik sa pinag-orderan nyo. So, ayan. So, in this case, after natanggal natin sa plastic lalagyan, meron pa siyang one more protective na plastic. So, hindi muna natin tatanggalin to. Siyempre, bago baka magasgas. Hindi natin tatanggalin muna. So, step number 3. So, number 2 is yung test fit. Pag walang problema, magsa-step 3 na tayo. Step 3, actually, madali lang. This is all household things. So, kuha muna kayo ng isang tissue, lagyan nyo ng alcohol. Basahin nyo na ng alcohol and then i-wipe nyo yung area na didikitan nyo. You can use a tissue, you can also use a cloth. Kung anong meron nyo. Basta, ang important thing is yung didikitan natin kailangan malinis siya. Actually, tissue is not the best choice. It's just that para madali lang, kaya gumamit ng tissue. So, of course, after that, after manalinis nyo na yung area, dapat ano siya, medyo kumakapit. Hindi siya dapat slippery. Pag slippery yan, ibig sabihin may konting problem. Dapat hindi siya slippery at all. Actually, maririnig nyo. Ayan. It's not a nice noise, pero makikita nyo hindi siya slippery. Tuyo na siya. It's dry and clean na. So, the next step is actually mag-install na tayo. So, how do we install this a better way? So, actually, ayan, lapit po kayo. The best way to do this is actually not removing all of them, but removing ganyan. Yan. You can see like this. Just remove the small area and then i-fold out. Yan. Para nakalabas siya. And then sa kabila, then fold out. Fold out. Pag yung malaki Tapos yung pag medyo maliit, katulad nito, actually you can just remove it. So, small one, you can just remove it. Pag medyo mahaba, bukaan nyo muna. And then, fold out. So, ayan. So, para na tong, paano tawagin? String, para mahila nyo. And this is to prevent you from, mistakenly idikit kahit hindi siya nakaposition ng tama. So, ngayon, ayan. Pwede nyo na i-position into place kung saan siya bagay. Ayan. That's why ayaw natin tanggalin buo. So, ayan. Actually, sa ganun kalit lang natanggal natin, mapapansin nyo, nadikit na natin. Ayan. We can position it into place. Ngayon, nakaposition na into the right place. So, bakit kailangan na maliit lang yung tatanggalin? Kasi katulad nito, nilagay natin, feel natin, tanggalin muna natin just to show you more clearer. Katulad ngayon, kinabit na natin. Parang feel natin medyo tabingi. Ngayon, pwede natin tanggalin. And then move. Konti. Ayun, pwede natin iusog sa sa gusto natin na angulo. And then idikit ulit. Ngayon, pag satisfied na tayo sa position niya, dun pa lang natin tatanggalin yung inabang natin. Katulad nito, for example, ayan, hihilain nyo lang. There. And then, dikit na siya. So, this is a longer one. Actually, this is medyo satisfying gawin. So, for example, ayan, hihilain mo lang to. Ayan, o. And then, habang hinihila nyo, just push down. Ayan. So, minsan, pag naputol ka sa gitna, nangyayari yan minsan, pwede ka mag-start sa kabila. Ayan. So, kailangan ingatan lang, huwag masyadong pilitin. Baka kasi maputol siya, medyo maalangan tayo. Ayan. So, natanggal na natin lahat. Pwede nyo na i-press down firmly. And then, this is the last one. So there you go, na-install na natin yung rain visor natin. You just have to repeat the process for the rest of the door. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other of our services or item, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and happy DIY. Let us see you next time. Goodbye!